Your ROTL-A1000 uses 3 long-life filters to keep your water clean and clear. Replacing them takes just a few minutes. For best results, swap them out every 12 months. Before you begin, turn off the feed water using the 3-way inlet valve. Shut off power by unplugging the unit or switching off the outlet. Open the RO faucet to relieve pressure and drain remaining water. Grab both sides of the front panel and gently pull outward. Set it aside somewhere clean. Each cartridge has a twist lock mechanism. 1. Rotate the used filter counterclockwise until it releases. 2. Pull downward to remove. 3. Repeat for all 3 filters. Simple, clean, no tools needed. Unpack the new filters. They're labeled by stage. 1. Align the top notch with the lock icon on the housing. 2. Insert the filter straight upward into the port. 3. Twist clockwise until you hear a firm click. That click means it's locked in and ready. Repeat for all filters. Don't force anything. They're made to fit only one way. Replace the front panel by aligning the bottom tabs, then snapping it back into place from the top down. Plug the system back in and turn on the 3-way inlet valve. Tap the power button to restart the system. Let the RO faucet run for 10 to 15 minutes to flush the new filters. For best results, flush for 1 hour before resuming regular use. To reset the filter life light, 1. Press and hold the filter light button for 6 seconds. 2. When the light turns off, your system is reset and ready to go. That's it. Your new filters are installed, and your ROTL-A1000 is back to delivering clean, refreshing water on demand. Need help? Check our manual or visit our website for more info.